Earlier, I had posted about trans-equatorial propagation on 6 meters or 50 MHz amateur radio band. 6 meters is usually called the magic band because of such unusual long distance propagations, and sometimes the tragic band, as at other times the band is virtually inactive. Few days back, a post on Twitter was mentioning that a ham in Hawaii would contact several hams in Europe by the transpolar long path over America. This kindled my curiosity to learn more about transpolar long path propagation on 6 meters. The propagation is noted when amateur radio operators beaming over the polar regions are able to contact their counterparts on the long path over the polar region instead of the short path over the equatorial region. Often this leads to long path propagation on 6 meters, which could cover almost 3/4 the circumference of the Earth. Transpolar long path propagation on 6 meters typically occurs near the solar cycle maximum. Often the contacts occur within an hour or two of midnight on the night side and within an hour or two of 11 AM on the day side. Though usually signal strengths are weak, requiring more power output, occasionally they can be strong. The station from Hawaii, which reported transpolar long path contacts to Europe last week, was using only 100 watts on 6 meter and a modest 3-element beam antenna, which was kept on a tripod on the ground. It is better to some parts of the world, like in Europe, the so-called olive belt, courtesy my Twitter contact SP3RNZ. There seems to be a link between trans-equatorial propagation and transpolar propagation in that both have equinox seasonal effect, mainly in March and October, and the report I mentioned is in October. Usually, stations at both ends of the transpolar long path propagation are in the trans-equatorial propagation zone as well.